Welcome to this Omnistudio tutorial. Today we are tackling a super useful but little known feature: merge multiple JSON arrays inside a data raptor transform using list merge and list merge primary. By the end of this video, you will know how to combine, override or selectively augment your list, all without writing a single line of Apex code. Let's just jump in. Here's our roadmap. Why you choose merge list, prepare your JSON inputs, walk through list merge, see how list merge primary differs, and how to plug it into an app integration procedure or Omniscript. Imagine you have three record sets: your live current accounts, older but still needed archived accounts, and future prospective accounts. You want to show all, but also ensure that if an account existed in both current and archive, you get the latest status from archive. That's exactly where list merge shines. Later lists override the earlier ones on a matching key, and if you want to update your primary set, use list merge primary, keeps your base set intact and simply enriching it from the others. Here's a snippet of our input payload. Let's consider three arrays: current accounts, archived accounts, prospective accounts. Each contains ID, name, status, plus any additional fields you need. We'll use this as our input to verify merged results in the data raptor test tab in a moment, but first let's create our transform. Let's go to our Salesforce org. Let's create a new data raptor transform. Let's name it as DRT merge accounts and interface type as transform, and then click on save. Alright, now we have our data raptor transform ready. Let's put in the formulas. Let's go to formulas tab, add a formula. So here we have list merge is a function in the formula, and ID is the matching key that we are passing, and three individual lists. So let's put the target path as merged accounts, and then let's map it to the output. Let me quickly grab the sample input and then execute it. There you go. Now we can see three accounts inside the merged accounts, where Acme Corporation has been overwritten by the archived accounts and status has been updated to archive, and Gamma Financial has been added in merged accounts, and Beta Technologies stays same. Now let's redo the same thing using list merge primary, and then let's see the output. So let me modify the existing formula with primary, and then let's map it to merged accounts primary. Okay, let me add the formula path, merged accounts primary. Let's repeat the same way as we did for merged accounts, and let's preview the output. Here you can see merged accounts primary, where it consists only two accounts, whereas merged accounts consists three accounts. So merged accounts primary basically refers to the current accounts list, and it only overrides whatever the accounts existing inside the current accounts. So we are not seeing any, as current list does not contain Gamma Financial, we don't see any Gamma Financial account inside the merged accounts primary. Alright, now we are done with our formula. Let's see how we can integrate this with Omniscript or integration procedure. To use this in your automation, add a data raptor transform action inside your integration procedure and point it to DRT merge accounts which we have just created, and also map your incoming JSON list to transform inputs. In an Omniscript, you would use a transform element the same way, and just like that, your merge runs at runtime without requiring any Apex code. Let's do a quick recap. List merge merges all your arrays, overwriting on the collision keys. In our case, ID is the key. And list merge primary only updates your primary set. In our case, we can refer it to current accounts. Both run entirely inside data raptor transforms without any additional code required. And before we wrap up, here are a few tips to make your merges bulletproof. Choose a unique, consistent merge key, example ID, to avoid accidental collisions. Ensure all input lists include that key field, otherwise records won't merge. Validate your JSON inside the test tab first so you can catch the structure issues early. Always watch your list size. Very large arrays can affect data raptor performance. Also filter if you can. Document your formulas in comments or naming conventions so teammates knows what's happening. If these tips help, smash that like button, subscribe for more Omnistudio insights, drop any questions below, and happy building!